First graders. For social studies this week, we are going to start talking about directions: north, south, east, and west. For directions, there is a lot of stuff to learn. So I hope that when you're watching this video, you have already labeled a room in your house. You could pick your bedroom, you could pick your kitchen, wherever you do your homework. But you could either print out the sheets that I gave you, or you could make little ones on your own, or big ones, doesn't matter, whatever mom or dad thinks is okay. And I want you to ask mom and dad to help you label a room. Which way is pointing north? Which way is pointing south? They will help you with this to start off with, but then we're going to learn a little more about directions and why that's even important. Why would I spend my time teaching you about this? Why would it be so important? So one of the things that I learned when I was in school is if you look at my sheet over here, this is north. Now, we'll talk more about this later, but north doesn't actually go up to the sky. North is a direction out across somewhere. Okay, but if you're looking at a piece of paper and you know north is here, okay, there is a way to help you remember which way to go. And I'll just show you. I know they won't stay, but east is here, south is at the bottom, and west is on the side. North, east, south, west. Now, there was a way that my teachers, when I was young, helped me remember this. And it goes around like a clock. So if you start at north, okay, my teachers taught me this little riddle. They taught me never eat sour worms. Ugh, never eat sour worms. They taught me that, and that helps me remember north, east, south, west. Never eat sour worms. You can't use mine, but you're going to come up with something else, okay? You could say never eat something, okay? You could come up with something that starts with an S and a W, or you could say, I had a friend last year, you're also not allowed to use this one, but I had a friend last year say, narwhals explore salty waters, okay? And so she picked that to use. You may do whatever helps you remember, but I want you to really think, what's a way that I could help myself remember? It can be goofy, but what you're going to do, it says label the compass using letters to identify each point. I just showed you that. You're going to take your pencil and you're going to label north, east, okay? And you're going to finish it out, okay? Then it says plan out your mnemonic device. That's the thing that helps you remember that funny riddle. So if mine was never eat sour worms, like my teacher taught me, you're not allowed to use that one, but if I used that one, I would write those words. I would write the words never eat sour worms. Okay, then it says write your sentence on the lines at the bottom of the page and use the box to illustrate your writing. So these two lines way at the bottom of the page are what you're going to write the whole sentence on that you came up with. So each word is on a line here, then the whole sentence is at the bottom, and then you're going to draw a goofy picture. I hope you have fun with this activity. Really think of something creative that would help you to remember those words. Seriously, Mrs. Bilby uses never eat sour worms all the time, okay? So think of something that would help you. It would be something that would remember. I think it would be interesting if I went back to my last year's first grade class to see if any of them still remember what they picked. So see if you can find something to remember, and I hope we have a great rest of our week.